What's up, guys? Give it another minute here. Already got a jam box breaks, 10:30 p.m. each time in the second. We're breaking our one and only Bowman Sterling 2021 baseball. 6-boxer 1 and 6-boxer number 2. Good luck. Alright, we'll do the first 6 and then the second 6. Next we'll be posting a 2-boxer of Spectra, guys. That's all I got. And then Topps Gold label. And next week will be Optic for baseball. Football, we got Origins. I did get allocated 1/2 case of that, but I did buy another half. Second half's going to be pretty pricey though. Alright, on with all these little mini boxes now. What up, Jim? Still wish they'd just throw the packs in the damn box. Alright. Box 1. Alright, starting off very nice to 99, Austin Martin. Going to Richard on the Sparkle. It's a nice first auto to start. Congrats, Richard. Alright, we got a Tyreek Screwball to 75 for Detroit. On the pink. Cards look super nice this year. Alright, for the White Sox, going to Jeff, we got Jarrett Kelly on the refractor to 150. Alright, next up, Kevin Alcantara for the Yankees, going to Billy. Cards are really nice this year, actually. I like them. They're very clean. I didn't like last year's. The all silver ones. And we got a Zach Veen for Colorado. Colorado in this case is Frank. Good hit. Is that 5 autos or is that only 4? Just that 1 auto per mini box. Are you getting shorted an auto? Are you fucking kidding me? Is it 4 autos or it should be 5 per, right? Did I miss one? Unless it wasn't signed, it was supposed to be. Oh, I missed a refractor. Alright, we got a redemption. Orange of Austin Hendrick. Very nice. Reds. I was going to take them too. because of him. Going to Mike. I don't know how the hell I missed that. Must have been sticking to another card. I like to slow roll them usually. Alright, box 2. Come on. This one feels like it's empty. Alright, box 2. This is everyone being so quiet. Great first box though. Color parallel should sell good too if it's only coming 1 per box. Alright, next up we got Max Mayer for Miami. Going to Rob. Alright, we got a Drew Romo. Rockies going to Frank. I think you opened the second case, Donnie. Or second half, I mean. Alright, we got a Yearman Mercedes to 199 for the White Sox on the refractor. We got a Jake Vogel going to Jeremiah for the Dodgers. Alright, we got Mick Abel for the Phils, number to 150 for Jim. There you go, Jim. You're not skunking tonight. Hopefully Mick Abel is a good pitcher for us. Good prospect there. Alright, nice for Washington. Luis Garcia. Going to Jamie. So, solid hit so far. I like the product. Bowman Sterling usually always hits very well though. Just a lot more money this year than usual. It's almost double the price. Just to buy it. Jim said about time. Alright, box 3. The Phillies missing the playoffs for the 10th year in a row, man. Such a shame. No, there's 10 of you on, Jim. It's just you're the only one talking. Whenever I break Bowman products, man, nobody talks. I don't get it. It's always when I break Bowman stuff. it makes no sense. But it's always Bowman. They're probably tired, man. Saturdays wear people out. Day of chores. Goes from Sunday to Saturday when football starts. Alright guys, box 3. Alright, we got a Christian Javier, number to 10 on the Atomic for Houston. Next up, very nice for the O's, Kerstad. Baltimore, and this one's Donnie. Go. Alright, we got Dylan Dingler for Detroit. Haven't seen him in anything in a while. Going to Scott. Last time I seen him was Bowman Draft. All right, we got a Luciano number 299. A nice hit coming up. I don't know if you guys seen it. We're seeing frame. Going to Detroit. Spencer Torkelson. Going to Scotty. He's got him in the first half. That doesn't mean we won't hit doubles, guys. Bowman Sterling generally has doubles in it. It is a Topps product. All right, we got Jackson Clough for Washington, a 125 on the wave. Going to Jamie. Not too familiar with Jackson Clough. I just know Garcia is the best one to hit. Unless he's good, I don't know about Clough. All right, we got a Nolan Gorman to 199, so we got an extra parallel in this box. And very nice, Sheridan Apostle for Texas, going to Bill. So hitting good names here, guys. I wish I could have got more than one case of this. Wouldn't even let me buy any. Couldn't even buy any on secondary market. It's crazy. All right, box 4. Try to get more. Spectra will be pretty cheap, guys, because it's only 2 boxes, so. It'll be 12 hits. I believe it's 6 per. It might be 8 per, actually. I'm going to try and post it tonight. I got to price it. Alright, box 4. Alright, we got a Jose Rodriguez, a 125 on the wave. White Sox. Going to Jeff. Don't have Corona, guys. Nice gold coming up. Alright, we got a Alec Thomas, number to 99. D-backs. On the Sparkle Parallel. Next up for the Dodgers, we got a Hyen Il Choi. Call him Il Choi. Dodgers going to Jeremiah. It's a Lil Choi, call him Il Choi. And Zach Veen, number to 50. Very nice, Frank. Good hit. On the gold parallel. Donnie's sitting here going, damn it, I have him in second half. Alright, there he is. That's why I was going to take the Padres. His base are selling for 50 alone. Robert Hassel. Going to Ryan. His colors will be selling for more once they hit eBay. One just sold for 50. Buy it now. Good prospect. And nice, Cabrian Hayes, Pirates. Finally, we get a Cabrian Hayes. It's been a long time. Going to Chad. Been a while for you, Chad. Congrats. Haven't hit Cabrian Hayes in anything in forever. Swear he wasn't in Topps Chrome or Bowman. Alright, box 5. Nobody likes me no more, Jim. Nobody talks. I say it's late. A lot of people are probably just tired, man. Alright, let's see a blue refractor. Alright, we got Trishan McKenzie, number to 75 for the Indians. Yeah. I don't know, man. We're going to get killed by the Chiefs tomorrow. Chiefs are due for a big win. They haven't won in 2 games, which is very unlike them. I hope Andy Reid's okay. I don't know if he's back to coaching or not. I know he's been in the hospital. I haven't checked on it. Alright, we got a Junior Severino, number 25 for Minnesota. Twins going to Ryan. Wish that was a Kirilov. Severino's not terrible, though. Alright, next up, very nice to 99, Blaze Jordan. Everyone was not buying Boston. I was shocked. Going to Chris. People forgot about Blaze Jordan. His sales have been through the roof. On the Sparkle. There you go, Chris. Congrats, buddy. Alright, we got the Austin Cox for the Royals. Going to Brandon. I see. I don't really want to watch the Eagles game tomorrow, man. I feel like they're going to be put to shame at home. We're home, right? Alright, next up we got Nick Bisco, number to 125 on the Wave, Rays. Going to Sean. Still pissed the Braves beat us out. How come, you might know this, Jim, why did the Braves play the Mets today? They weren't on the schedule for them. Was it a makeup game? I thought that was weird. They're supposed to end with the Phillies, I thought. Alright, and Patrick Bailey, number to 150, San Fran. Going to Rodney. Haven't hit a shitty player yet. At least don't sell as high as Chrome, but they're all on card. Let's see why they don't. Alright, box 6. Oh, really? I thought it was just ending with the Phils. That was our last series. Yeah, Eagles look like shit, dude. Everyone was so hype after the first game. I was like, Jalen Hurts is not that good. It's the freaking Falcons. The Falcons suck. Everyone's so hyped. And now everyone's just dogging them. I'm like, they sucked. They shouldn't even have beaten the Falcons. It was all hoax, man. The damn Falcons. Oh, that's weird. I didn't realize that. So even if we swept the Braves, they could have swept the Mets and still beat us. So it don't even matter. I thought they ended with us. Minshew's still on the hurt list, Melvin. I don't think he's back yet. He got hurt in practice. As soon as we picked him up, he got hurt. That's our luck. They ain't going to put him in. They're going to keep Hurts in. He's going to stick with Hurts, and Hurts is going to suck. And I really don't think Hurts is good, man. Does he have potential? Maybe, but the dude can't throw. He's just like McNabb, man. He can't throw the ball. Oh, we played Marlins too. Dan, I'm out of it, dude. I really thought it was done with the Braves. Huh. I was gonna say usually we play in the beginning of October. All right, we got Nick Lofton, KC. Going to Brandon. Phillies don't. Oops. Phillies don't deserve to be in there anyway. Joe Adele went flying. Base card. All right, we got Hyung Sing Kim, number to 199. Padres in the parallel. Yeah, we'll see if he gets it though. But he was like 0 for 10 with strikeouts with the Braves. All right, we got Patrick Bailey again. This time on the base. San Fran going to Rodney. Bryce is good, man. I don't know why everyone beats on him so bad. He just has one part of the season that's really good. All right, we got Nate Pearson, number to 199 on the refractor. He's a little bit slightly above average, but he's not, you know, a superstar. But he played well. All right, we got Alexander Vargas for the Yankees going to Billy. Yankees ain't skunking today. For those just joining, guys, we're still in the first half. I'll do a recap at the end of that, and we'll go into the second half. All right, we got Cespedes, number to 199 on the refractor. For the Sox. Next up, we got Casey Mize to 150, Detroit, going to Scott. So Torkelson and Mize. I don't know what he got hurt doing, man. We got a Christian Robinson, number to 99. And the Sparkle. And Charlie, your Braves did not skunk this half. You're going to get a Jared Schuster. Yippee-yi-yay. It's actually a good prospect, though, isn't he? Alright, guys, that is the first half. Let me do a quick recap and move on to the second. Thank you guys for the quick fill. Again, 2-box Spectra going up next. Alright, we had Jared Schuster, Casey Mize to 150, Alexander Vargas, Patrick Bailey, Nick Lofton, Patrick Bailey to 150, Nick Bisco to 125, Austin Cox, Blaze Jordan to 99, Junior Severino to 25, Cabrian Hayes, Robert Hassel, Zach Veen to 50, Hyang Il Choi. We had a Jose Rodriguez, number to 125 on the wave. We had an Apostle, Jackson Clough to 125, Spencer Torkelson, Dylan Dingler, Kerstead. We had a Luis Garcia, Mick Abel to 150, Jake Vogel, Drew Romo, Max Mayer, Austin Hendrick, Orange Refractor. We had a Zach Veen, Alcantara, Jared Kelly to 150, and a Austin Martin to 99. Parallels. We had a Christian Robinson to 99, Cespedes to 199, Nate Pearson to 199, Kim to 199, McKenzie number to 75, Alec Thomas to 99, Nolan Gorman to 199, Luciano to 99, Christian Javier to 10, Mercedes to 199, and a Screwball number 275. Alright, second half. Team switched up a little bit. Just start a new video.